that I can see on the day?
We got
Okay.
FOMC next week. Used to be a thing called a blackout period. 2 weeks before any FOMC meeting, they were not supposed to talk, but
They're not allowed to talk. I think they've become more, influencers and post guys like my man Myron. I think they're not allowed to talk about specific things because they
okay.
definitely talk in that 2 weeks before.
Huh.
Yeah, Wednesday's gonna be huge, man, with FOMC and then all those earnings coming
Sure.
out.
Yes,
Oh,
it's gonna
here
be
goes
wild.
silver. Here goes silver.
Here goes silver indeed. All right,
All-time
make
high.
another run here. $99.87 last trade. Back to the 80s. Who is going to move first? We have a 72% short tilt in NQ right now. Last trade 25,580s.
Yeah, NQ can't stay above 25,600.
I was just kind of looking around. Who's going to go first? You, me? We'll see.
Everything else just seems really mixed.
Later on the S&P is very, very thin. Let me look at these numbers out of the way. It
We
may
talked about
change.
Intel in
Yeah.
the Mag 7 right now. Uh, Broadcom's kind of taking up the mantle of doing its own thing. Broadcom's down nearly 2.3%, let's call it. Apple's down 1%,
Mhm.
Tesla's down 1%. Everything else is up. Your leader is Nvidia's up 1.2%.
Oh,
Those
man.
numbers are dancing in real time.
Oh, I love these two back-to-back comments in the chat. No point watching silver trading. Most of us don't trade it. So goodbye, Top Step. Two comments later, we should have tilt on silver now. I love you, chat. Chat absolutely fired up. Some don't care. Some do. I absolutely love you, chat. Chat, if you be so kind, click subscribe, click like, click notify, upper right-hand corner. We're on the march to 200,000 subscribers.
Ooh. Good thing we watch more than just silver, though.
Some of us don't watch silver. I'm out. Two comments later, can we get the tilt on silver? I absolutely love you, maniacs. I am one of you, one of me.
I don't know if the tilt on super, frankly, would be very helpful because the contract's so big. It would be just whatever direction it's moving, the survivors would be on the side that it was moving in, right?
No,
Mhm.
I just love it. Just the hot takes. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Passion for trading. I can assure you, there's a lot more people trading silver now than ever before. Upper left hand
Oh, yeah.
corner of the screen, at that hashtag fast markets, hashtag power hour. Show us what you're trading that's not silver. Show us why we shouldn't be showing silver. Yeah, I'm just playing around. Hashtag power hour, hashtag fast markets at Top Step TV on the X. See some cool trader wins. See some payouts yesterday. See some cool swag. See some cool funded trader certificates. Also, see those trader station setups. We got 5 minutes till the number.
Mhm.
I think an interesting
I love
data
silver.
point that we'll get today on the always looking for data points that point towards the vibe of the aggressive retail crowd. So I want to see today what happens with this dip on Intel. Down 14%. If it rebounds, say half of that or something, I'll be like, wow, they're strong.
I'm messing around.
If it stays down there, we'll have to think. We got, when Tesla earnings come out, that's another big data point for me. So
Okay.
hanging around 6,900 SPX still.
We got Tesla next week. Is Tesla next week? Yes, Tesla is next week. Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, Meta, just to name a few.
Yep. FOMC.
FOMC.
Top it off there, yeah.
Speaking of which, last time I took a peek, about a 95% probability of a pause. That has moved 97% probability of a pause going into next
Yeah.
week.
So for next week, I think that the announcement will probably be not super just the announcement. Like there's always volatility, people are doing whatever, but the Q&A is going to be fire because you'd have to imagine since the last meeting is when Powell became a vlogger. And so I'm sure a lot of the
Oh
questions will
man.
surround that. So it'll be
Oh man.
interesting to see how he responds.
Can you imagine Powell, man? He's just lived the straight and narrow his entire life. Now he's doing proof of life videos.
Proof of life videos. Okay.
We got some sickos in the chat. Intel's bounced a buck right
A
now. I
little
wouldn't
bit.
say this is a bounce yet.
Not yet. Not yet. All right. AG's almost there. AG's sitting around 99.80.
Gold. Come on,
Is that the
silver.
is that the spot ticker? Or are we just going straight periodic table?
Jack, yeah, you got it. You got it.
Yeah.
Man.
We don't want to scare them. We don't want to scare anybody away. So we'll just
Mhm.
go periodic
What's gold?
nicknames.
AU? Gold
EU,
AU?
yeah, yeah. Just
50-50
like
on
we
the
got
tilt.
the Kiwi
We
and all those nicknames and currencies. We'll have the same here with these metal.
love you. Look at you, Dakota. Yeah, I love you, Dakota. You were scrambling for that one. We got nothing on the wire right now. If 90 seconds still the number.
Let's see. I've done
Expected.
amazing in silver. Of course, like any market has its ups and downs, but we love volatility as traders. Absolutely, we could have a nice breakout.
Expected. For S&P services PMI flash 52.9.
Let's see. Silver's gonna break out right here. Let's see. Oh, maybe blow off the top and hit 100.
Getting closer.
Yeah, I'm really curious to see how we react around the 100. If we tag it and just
Got
turn
some stops
around,
up
or if
there,
we
right?
just yeah, there's definitely some stops. There's a lot of people probably wanting to sell it there too.
Will silver get there? Will silver get there in the next 30 seconds? 30 seconds still the number. Bring that to you. Then, like you heard Jack say, another number 15 minutes after that. University of
Trade since
Michigan.
there's 200
Might
contracts at
get
100.
saucy, Dakota. I'm almost considering if we pop meaningfully above 100. Make sure we got 10 seconds to this number. I'll talk about the stupid thing I'm gonna do after.
Very thin. Look at that ES ladder. Look how thin that thing is. All right, number incoming here. Expected 52.9. Actual 52.5. In line, in line, in line. Another number in 15 minutes.
Okay.
Look how thin that ES ladder is. My oh my. All right,
Oh,
all
look,
eyes on silver. All eyes on silver. Last trade, $99.87. We get there.
maybe you don't see a thin ladder. Take a look at silver.
There's gaps in that thing too.
Yeah, look at that.
This thing's wild.
It's as thin as it gets. Ones
Wow.
and
Come on, I
fours.
mean, look at that.
You want a
Yeah,
wild spread? I don't have it up right now, but if you can't, so
It's a
somebody
liquid.
go check out. I'll get it up at some point. But the natural gas spread between the February and March contract has
What is it?
exploded. I
It-
mean,
It's a
the spread's
liquid.
like tripled in the last couple days.
I'm looking at silver right now. I mean, there's 6 tick spread there. All right, here we go. Making another run.
through 100.
We're getting there.
When we
Patience.
pop through 100, I might sell some calls. That was the stupid thing I'm gonna do.
Oh, okay, that's
117.
About
not too bad. Are they covered or
99, 90, was it 99.95,
somewhat.
115 offer. Closing in on it.
okay? Jack.
Someone check BTC. What's
Jeez.
happening in BTC?
It's selling off a little bit.
There's 115 lot offered at $99.95.
I gotta tell
Check
you,
that out.
our Bitcoin aficionado is really putting themselves in a pickle here. I gotta say, those funding costs are mounting right now. They are down. Oh God, it's got to be 70 million, more than that.
Really?
Yep. They done anything with this
How much is
position? Nope.
how much does he have to pay just to keep the position open?
I'd have to look what the yields are, but like for instance, so far they've had this position open for like 20, 30 days, but they have paid on the Ethereum position nearly $7 million in VIG. I'm just calling it VIG. It's not really that. Um, overall, paid about $8 million. Like $8 million is just gone, and then the unrealized is down about 64, 65 million right now. I gotta say, if this doesn't work out for this, it's gonna be one of the greatest acts of hubris not to like with this funding mechanism, you can't I don't know, just like buy and hold on this leverage position. They swung $100 million in profit and covered zero. They added closer to the highs.
It's insane. Insane.
And this position isn't really going against them yet. Like, I don't care how much money this person has. I mean, unless it's like Elon Musk or something, there are a few people that laugh off like if this goes down, $250 million or something.
Mm.
Silver, just playing with our heart right now.
Yeah, they are. It's silver is just
No, gold's like, all right, you're not gonna go. Oh, I'll catch a bid here. $49.50. I'm sorry, 49.54 last trade. Up about $8-9 here in the last couple minutes.
and Nasdaq's staying around 25,600. It's kind of ranging right now, so I'm okay not trading that yet.
We got University of Michigan sentiment number, top of the hour. What does expect? That one can come out of line because
Correct.
they are
That
literally sending polls in the mail, snail mail, asking just some very generic questions to Middle America. That is expected.
I can move markets.
Ask them what they think inflation will be in 5 years. That's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Jane Doe, John Doe, what do you think inflation will be? We have sentiment expected 54. 54. I got gold on the move here.
What if gold hits to 5,000 before silver gets to 100? Possible.
Short silver by gold.
The spread.
Yeah, I actually have that position up. Um, 1 second.
Silver chart right there.
Yep.
Can we get to 100? Can we get to 100?
There's a lot of sellers preempt like just getting in before it.
Like, I guess they think
So
we'll never get there. Go
here's
ahead,
the
Jack.
GLD divided by SLV or something. I put this white line a few days ago when we were talking about this trade. If we got in, so there's a big gap down. It's kind of against us. So like maybe another spot. Maybe we do this trade. We'll have to talk to Michael at some point. It would be fun to hold for I don't know a couple months.
It is very, very thin. Market's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet right now. Calm before the
Wait,
storm.
waiting.
Yes, we
Even
are.
going into the weekend.
Look at
Going into the
that.
weekends lately has been extra spicy.
The Fridays. You never know.
Yeah,
You
you
have
have
no idea what's going to happen.
no idea.
What quiet makes quiet market scary? I'm kind of with you there, TM. That's scaring me. It's like what something's lurking around the corner.
Yeah, Nasdaq's still sitting at 25,600. Going across the equities, it's just mixed. It's like a Christmas tree, red and green,
How's the mag looking?
and yeah, red exactly that. Red and green. Nvidia's up 1.6, Apple down 1.3, Microsoft up 1, Amazon up 6.6, Google scratch, Tesla down a little bit, Meta up a little. Yeah, it's just back and forth. The major note is Intel's down 15%, and for some reason Broadcom's down 2.6.
Can I guess what the VIX is? I'm guessing the VIX is at 15.2. Feels like
Uh,
15.2 right now.
16 even.
16.
Yeah, it's up.
Interesting.
It's up.
Okay. Nothing really cooking right now. Yeah, number in 8 minutes. Top of the hour. Let's see if we get that out of the way. Maybe the markets want to pick a direction. Come on, silver. Silver getting within 6.5 cents of $100.
Let's see. Let's get it. Hmm.
Somebody asked how you would trade SLV like options. I mean, I'm not recommending anything, but it's just like you just need an account where you can trade options. Looks like it's pretty damn liquid. Like I'm looking right now, Dakota, at the um So the price of the SLV is like 90.20 right now. So an at the market call for February 27th right now
Okay.
is 835. It's pretty good. It's pretty juicy. Looks very liquid too. We got like 1100 contracts on the bid. 830.
What's the IV on it?
One moment.
Number 6
Talk
minutes.
amongst yourselves.
6 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Silver just sideways. Nasdaq sideways. Slow. Quiet market. Don't sell a quiet market type day. Maybe Friday rally.
Is it going to be quiet though? We've seen
Well, we're gonna
this a
find
lot.
out.
We've seen this a lot this week. We're only 25 minutes in. Fact that we're coiling up, a lot of volume coiling up at these prices. Talking about the equities, when it coils up in these levels, once it pops, it's like a spring. It'll really just take off. So we'll see if it's gonna be higher or lower.
No, see if we could. Yeah, just consolidation. It's a no trade for me. Good no trade
Yeah.
for me.
All right.
Just consolidating, man. How was that gold
Yes.
trade for you last night? You trade gold?
Scratch. Barely.
it's it's metals at night, man. It's
Bad.
it's not for the faint of heart. That's for
Almost
sure.
lost my appetite.
Lost your appetite. But did you put it on before or after dinner?
All of it. All of it.
All of it before, after, during,
All of
on your
it.
phone.
No. I watched it on my phone at the dinner table.
Okay, okay, you learned that lesson.
I got in
Okay.
trouble.
IV's like 73 for 1 month
Oh,
out.
that's not bad then. That's not bad for 836.
Yeah.
$8.36 at the money for a month worth of premium. Okay, okay.
I mean, that's, 8.3 by. This is why you watch the show, right? I mean, that's 10% almost.
How much room does silver have to go is the question. Since we're right here at $100 an
35
ounce.
cents. 35 cents.
I want to wait till it breaks above 100.
And then you bearish.
In options, maybe.
Okay.
I don't know. I wouldn't short this thing leveraged with your money, as Hogue would say.
What do
With
we got?
Andre's fortune.
Hey, let's go on crude. Crude, nothing going there. It is above
Metals
60, about 61 bucks. MBT. Oh,
silver's
it did sell off
rejecting
pretty
there.
good. About
Nasdaq
$1,000 trade,
might
88.
make a run to settlement. Yeah, switching over to Nasdaq, and you can see there's a lot of rejection right there at these 620s, 630s. So if we do have a nice breakout, I could see this thing making a run back up to what is overnight highs in these 720s. We might just break out. Yeah, it's looking like it. Nasdaq.
And Q. Try
Yep.
to get to
Right.
there you go. Popped some stops right there. 25,660.
Yeah, there's settlement.
Markets are waiting. Who's gonna go?
4
Who's gonna
minutes.
go first?
4 minutes. Yeah, I'm not
Again.
really interested to get into the long Nasdaq. I mean, we're scratch, right? We're right at settlement.
Yeah, everything's scratch
Not
right now.
not
Calm.
directional either.
Calm before the storm.
Yeah.
Definitely what's happening right here. Again, expected 54 for the sentiment and inflation expectations 4.2%. Oh, this we got U.S. leading index change. How is it? Yeah, let me bury that in there. That's a separate number from Michigan right now.
Look at Nasdaq reject now. Yeah, it's so tempting to play a breakout trade, but
How
it's
thin
not
is
a
NQ?
breakout market right now.
How thin is
Tag
NQ? That's
settlement
not
and
crazy.
reject.
What's moving out there? Okay, wait for this. Very eerie, eerie right now.
Right. Friday. Intel's moving.
Wednesday. Is Davos over, by the way?
Very good
What over?
question. I have no
Is it
idea.
ever over? Is it ever
I'd
over?
assume it'd be over by today. The group chats are where it gets done, Andre.
Davos got more headlines this year than I can remember in past. I mean, like state governors like Kentucky are showing up there. It's like what? What?
Getting away from the snow.
Like,
I guess it's snowy in Davos
what good
too,
are they,
but
what are they going to do there? Lindsey Graham is there. Like, what are you doing there?
looking to
Actually,
bomb things.
I know. Open for
No.
business. What? Some of these people are showing me what? 90
Will
seconds.
NASDAQ breakout? I mean, look at that. Right back to settlement. Minute and a half till the last, was this last piece of news for the day?
We got Baker Hugh. Well, last scheduled piece of news.
Okay. Yeah, fair. Scheduled is a different story. Broadcom down 3%. Intel still at its lows, man. Intel's down almost 16%. Silverite giving up hope on that $100 an ounce.
No. Let's get this out of the way here. We got 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Definitely the quietest first 30 minutes of the trading week. Right now, that could obviously change. Seeing some 3-bar reversals. All right, here we go. University of Michigan. What is number? This number come just come in spicy, one way or another. Just come in spicy.
Begging for the spice.
40s. Number in the 40s would be cool.
Okay.
Expected 54. Expected 54. Previous 54. Here we go.
That's
Incoming. And we got
Oh, we're pumping in the NASDAQ for a second.
56.4. Better than expected. Better than expected. 56.4. Inflation expectations lower. Oh man, just expect. Oh, everything's better. Everything coming up roses.
Interesting.
All roses.
Yeah,
And there goes the NASDAQ. It's breaking
Yep,
out to the
there
wrong
we
side.
go. That's the fuel we needed.
Yep.
You got metals turning over. Better
Here we
than
go.
expected.
Now, what do we do? What do we do is the question. How do we take advantage of it?
Oh,
Where's the
rally time,
opportunity?
baby. Rally time.
Yep. I'm going to look to buy a dip. Buy the dip of the NASDAQ.
Okay. All right. With that being said, market still muted. University of Michigan sentiment number coming in better than expected. Inflation expectations coming in cooler as well. So good news, positive news in some respects. With that being said, I want to throw it over to James, Dr. Volatility, talking about announcements. Some people received some emails. James, come on in here. A little clarity on what's going on. What's up, James? Happy Friday.
Absolutely. Good morning, everybody. We're seeing a lot of chatter in the chat, so let's talk about it. After the system outage in December, Michael promised everyone that he'd be back with a resolution this month after our team fully reviewed all accounts, our systems, and operations. The review has been completed, and Michael will be on TopStep TV Monday morning to talk about it and take your questions. Now, a few minutes ago, we sent an email to everyone who was affected. Our team has been all hands on deck, and many traders received a resolution from support earlier this month. If you haven't heard back from us yet and were affected, the email will provide more details on the resolution. Here's a summary of what happened from our support handle on Twitter or X at AskTopStep. We've completed our review, and here's what happened in result of the TopStep X December outage. We addressed the impact of the outage on accounts that may have been affected. We provided a resolution for many traders over the past month, but if you were affected and have not resolved with support, we've credited your profile with one or more accounts depending on how you were impacted. We've also uncovered and corrected a data discrepancy on a limited number of trade reports. This did not affect overall account balances, but we credited any affected profiles with one or more accounts depending on how you were impacted. If you were affected, we send an email with details, and we're here to help if you have questions. We're committed to getting better every day, and you should expect to see continued improvements across TopStep X, trader support, and our communities. Thank you again for your trust and patience as we continue to build the ultimate trading experience. Back to you, Andre.
Thank you, James.
Nice.
Hogue, welcome aboard.
I'm in
Star
long.
himself. Star himself. 1 second, Dakota. We'll get
Thank
back to
you.
that. Yeah, Hogue, welcome aboard. Again, thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience throughout. Again, check your emails for more details on that. However, also, CEO and founder of Top Step, Mr. Michael Pataka, will be joining us on Monday. Monday to talk about this a little further. Perhaps take your questions as always. So Michael Patak, CEO and founder of Top Step, will be joining us. Top Step TV on Monday. So Hogue, what's up? Welcome aboard. Uh, you know, technology can be a tricky thing sometimes. They hung in there with us, and thank you for your patience. We always continue to improve. Hogue, you've been with Top Step since the beginning, overcoming hurdles, continue to push this thing. Top Step's number one for a reason. So thanks for their patience, Hogue.
100%. 100%. Yes, we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for your patience again. And Top Step has from day one always been about the traders. It's always been about you, always improving, always getting better, and you can expect a lot of great things uh, in the future for everybody, for all of you. So again, we appreciate you. Much love, and we look forward to success for each and every one of you. And that's
All the
nothing
emails, yeah.
that we can control, but you have the opportunity here, and the opportunity will continue to grow and continue to get better.
Yeah, and let's sure do that. If you have any questions or further concerns, support is here to help. Top Step X or support at Top Step. Top Step X. Ask Top Step. Also contacting support as well. And thank you for your patience. Now let's get back to these markets. Any concerns, questions, please reach out directly to support. Again, Michael will be joining us on Monday, next Monday on Top Step TV. Dakota, you did get into a trade, correct?
Correct. Yeah, I got in long from 6 to 86. I took one profit at 7.15s.
There we go.
I'm holding a runner.
Okay. We got 79% long tilt, 79% long tilt in the ES right now. Trading 69.45. 77% long tilt in the NQ. We even see some heavy long and short tilts in the equities. Hogue, if you don't mind, I haven't seen him. He's a budging star now.
I know.
Voiceover
I've
actor.
missed you.
Do you have your SAG card yet, Hogue? Do you have your own
No.
trailer? You don't. None of that. Okay, interesting. No, working your way up to that.
Nothing like that. Just the Volvo.
Yeah, that works for now. Very safe card.
Yeah.
Hogue, if you would, can you break down the first 35 minutes? 35 minutes of this trading session. Dakota's got a long on right now. Keep an eye on that. He's got one runner cooking, pushing higher here. 25,711 in the NQ.
Yeah,
But Hogue missed you.
missed you too. Obviously, the equities markets are liking what they saw from this University of Michigan sentiment. We also had misleading indicators that came out. Haven't seen that number just yet. Usually a pretty low impact number, but when the markets opened, they left the opening ranges at the dead high. But there was, excuse me, at the dead low, and there was some pretty good participation in and above those levels, at least in the S&Ps. So I've been looking for opportunities for longs this morning. And we are seeing those play out. But where are we really? Has anything changed from yesterday? We're still inside the range from yesterday in the Nasdaq. We've gone from low to high, from the IB low from yesterday to the IB high from yesterday, which was a normal trading day. So we never traded outside the initial balance in the Nasdaq yesterday. So I'm playing this like trying to get long near the low, getting out of longs, perhaps looking at shorts if we can't take out the overnight high. If we do take out the overnight high and come back in, that could offer me an opportunity. But I'm trying to remember here. Yeah, the S&P initially left the opening range at the dead low of the day, but it didn't stay there very long. We had to sweep all those stops down below there. But again, very similar situation to the Nasdaq. We did look below the initial balance low, yesterday's low, and the overnight low in the regular trading hour session. That failed to provide a downside opportunity. When we came back in, that was your opportunity to perhaps look for long and the opportunity to limit risk. Now we're through VWAP. We're rotating higher. We're in the middle of the range from yesterday in the S&Ps. So I'm looking at this as kind of balanced to breakout rules. Try longs to limit risk near the lows. Try shorts near the high of the session yesterday. We could just call the session high yesterday in the S&P 69.64 quarter. It's the initial balance high. We didn't really see much participation above that, and we're right in the middle. So I don't really want to do anything here. I'm just focusing on the extremes. The fact that yesterday was a normal trading day in the Nasdaq, it tells me that there's probably a pretty good a good probability of a breakout outside of the range from yesterday. The market did a lot of trade facilitation. It may go looking for new levels to facilitate that trade today, but until we see some sort of breakout, continuation, volume acceptance above yesterday's high in the Nasdaq, then we're still looking at range bound to range bound rules to breakout rules. We got to see how this plays out, and we will be here with you.
Good stuff. Hogue, what about gold? Talk to me about gold. 59.53 all-time highs. I'm sorry, 49.53 last trade. 49.70 all-time highs. Just printed overnight. Can we get there?
Yeah.
Can we get there? What was overnight looking like? Are the shorts puking? Is this initiative buying? What's it going to take for us to get to 5,000?
Ooh, silver almost to 100.
Silver about to do it. Silver about to do it. Sorry. Let's get there. $99.99 printed. $99.99 printed in silver. Come on, silver.
Let's go.
Right.
Almost
Come
there.
on, silver. History here on Top Step TV. When we get there.
99.99.
We're offering 100, 200 at 100, 200 at 100. Phil, $100.
There it is.
Pew, pew, pew.
$100 an ounce.
And we
Wow.
$100, 9.5 cents. And look at that rejection, 20 cents off it. How about that?
Boy.
Wow.
Okay.
So I guess we got our answer on the poll. Silver did it first.
Silver did it first.
He did. And I sold some straddles right there, Dakota. Pray for my soul.
Did you? Oh, straddles. Yeah. Okay.
I did now. I was thinking it over. It's pretty
I like
pretty
that
juicy.
decision.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that one.
Okay. Sorry about that, Hogue. We had to see the $100 print. All right. So what's it going to take? All right. Silver did its part. What's it going to take for gold?
Well, I mean, silver put a new all-time high in last night, right? So did gold. Yep. We know that markets don't like to leave all-time highs, recent highs, and recent lows in the extended trading